now more than ever. I hope you're all doing well, that your family and friends are okay as well and not that affected by well, whatever this crap is that's going on at the moment. There's a couple of things that I wanted to mention for you guys in this video, just minor updates, again, behind the scenes. I'm trying to do this because there's always things happening, as you will see in this video, that's going on in the background, and that's why I sort of created this series, so that you guys will know it's not that easy to follow along if you're just watching like reviews and all those things and the occasional adventures. So that's why I created this series, so that you guys can, I don't know, get to know me a little bit better and follow along on my life behind the scenes. First and foremost, Fjällräven Polar, we're still going, but it's been postponed till next year for obvious reasons. It's the right decision to make, I think. Still, yeah, still sucks, but yeah, it's better this way. Big birds coming in. You guys can see them there. Good background noise there. So yeah, Polar been postponed till next year. So yeah, give us some more time to prepare for that, which is, you know, it's fine. It's better they do it like this, so everybody can still join and participate. So yeah, it is what it is. Me and my immediate family, we're not, we're fine. We're not that affected by this. My mom and, you know, the old folks, she's gonna watch this, and I hope she does. But you know, they don't really listen and pay attention. And you try to tell them that, you know, maybe stay at home. But it's like learning the old dogs how to sit. I think my buddy Abe, that you guys have seen a couple of times on here, I don't know if he got it or if he's got something, or maybe just like a normal flu, but he's been pretty sick the last couple of weeks here, so that's kind of sucked as well. I hope he's getting better. I will still try to upload and keep you guys posted on everything that's going on and what I'm doing. I am out in the middle of nowhere by default. So it's kind of funny when I think a lot of you guys feel the same way with self-isolation and being prepared for whatever might happen in different situations. I think that hiking and trekking and going outdoors and sleeping outdoors and spending time in the nature and everything like that will prepare you for the unknown and different situations like this and things that might happen and come up. So I don't know, you guys can let me know in the comments how you are. I want to know that, and how you're holding up and what you guys are doing to fill the time, and how you're taking all this, if you're deeply affected by it, or I don't know how it is and where you guys are. So please let me know about that in the comments. Also wanted to mention, we started the podcast that I mentioned a long time ago. We have started it. We've made a couple of episodes. So if you guys want to see that, you can you can search for the YouTube journey. We're there. We talk a little bit about creating and doing this sort of thing, and what it means and how to do it. So we'll do a lot of how-tos and just talk in average on that subject. So if you guys are interested in doing something like that for yourself, you might want to check that out. Or if you just want to, I don't know, listen to me and Abe talk for an hour, you can do that as well. If you're bored now at home isolation or whatever, you can watch us talk for an hour. No, but if you're interested, it's there. You can. I'll post the link. You guys know. I also wanted to take the time to mention, if you wanted to support me more than you guys have already done, you can buy. I have an Amazon store, so you can. Maybe I don't have whatever you guys are looking for, but if you go through, if you still follow the link that I have in the description below, you will still help me. Or support me in that way. I really appreciate that. Nothing, yeah, you don't need to do it, but if you're gonna buy something from Amazon or whatever, anyways, you might as well. I've also created like a little store there with some of the things that I've been doing reviews on, or things that I've tried or that I can recommend. So if they're not good, you can come and talk to me about it. No, but things that I can recommend and that I've tried and that I like. So they are there, like a minor collection of gear, garments, some cameras and things like that as well. If you guys want to know more about what I use when I film, there's a couple of things are there as well. You can see that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now, and I will see you guys. I don't know if I can maybe squeeze in 2 videos this week. There's going to be the review of the, I don't know if you could see it here, the Keb padded hoodie. We're going to do that review, and I don't know if I will. I thought it was going to be colder where we are now, but it's not that cold. It's pretty springy in the air, which is really nice. I'm just enjoying the sunset, but it's going to be a night out in the woods. There's a shelter back there, so we're just out enjoying. But there's going to be a couple of videos from this trip that I'm going to do, so hopefully you guys are going to tune into that. Yeah, I'm not going to take any more of your time. I hope you're all okay. Like I mentioned, please let me know how you are in the comments, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on here in the coming videos. Yeah, all right, I'm just gonna leave you with the sunset here for a couple of minutes, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, take care.
Hey.